Your Lynbrook volunteer firefighters staff their firehouses around the clock as a powerful blizzard swept through the area beginning Sunday, February 22nd, 2026, at approximately noon and continuing into Monday afternoon. As conditions worsened, firefighters reported for duty at 6 p.m. Sunday and remained on post for 22 straight hours. They concluded standby operations at 4 p.m. Monday. At the height of the storm, the department responded to 5 medical emergencies. In each instance, firefighters deployed a fire truck alongside the emergency medical company ambulance, shoveling snow from sidewalks and stairways to reach residents in need of assistance. Despite heavy snowfall and hazardous conditions, crews ensured patients received prompt care and safe transport. Police Chief Brian Palladino noted all non-essential village employees were allowed to work from home. By Monday morning, firefighters took to the snow-covered streets in their engines to clear hydrants buried by drifting snow. Lynbrook Fire Chief Clayton Murphy reminds residents to do their part by clearing snow from the hydrant closest to their homes, noting that a buried hydrant can delay firefighters from securing a water supply in the event of a fire. According to the Lynbrook Police Department, a billboard sign on Sunrise Highway at Forest Avenue was blown off the railroad trestle and fell onto a vehicle during the storm. Throughout the night and into the following day, the Village of Lynbrook Department of Public Works continued plowing operations, working steadily to keep roadways passable. Fire Chief Murphy praised the firefighters for a great job and leaving their own homes and families to protect the village and its residents while standing by and moving into their firehouses during the storm.